In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Carrom Pool app not working. So if this game app is not working, maybe the app is too slow, it keeps on crashing, or it can't even open or work at all, then just follow these steps to fix your issues. If this video helps, please consider to like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the app info page or the game info page by long pressing on it and choosing app info. If you don't see this app info page, depending on the smartphone you are using, you should be able to see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Carrom Pool app. At this point, we want to clear the app data. So if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. So cache data are just small files that your game app normally collects and stores to enhance your user experience. But when these files accumulate, they might cause the app to malfunction. To fix this, go to clear data down below and choose the second option, clear cache, and final OK. And as you can see, our cache data and part of user data has been cleared. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and open now your Carrom Pool app, and this should have fixed your problem. But should you still experience any other issue, then come back again to app info page, go to clear all data and OK. But should this not work, then you need to go ahead and go to Google Play Store or App Store depending on your phone and open it. So I'll open Play Store and search for my app, and you can see it here. So from here, look for any update if it is available. So your app might be malfunctioning because you are using an outdated version of this app that might not be supported. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and then this will install the latest version of this app. So this should be able to fix most of the problem. But in some cases, you might find that the app still crashes even when you open. For that, you will need to go ahead and uninstall the app completely and then install it afresh. By doing so, now you'll have the latest version and you'll have cleared all the bugs that might be associated with the Carrom Pool game app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.